Hello everyone, let's learn Malay by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 26. I'm going to explain about auxiliary verbs. Chapter 26 or Bab 26. Verbs, auxiliary verbs. They are used together with the principal verb in order to give more meaning to it. An auxiliary verb is always placed before a principal verb. Among the most commonly used are boleh, can, possible, telah, already, patut, should, mesti, must, wajib, compulsory, harus, should or need to, mungkin, possibly, maybe, ada, have, jadi, so, hendak, want, suka, like, kena, have to. For example, A. Kini komputer boleh menjalankan berbagai-bagai fungsi. Today, computers can do many different things. B. Tiap-tiap kaki tangan pejabat ini telah menderma kepada tabung pertahanan negara. Every staff of this office has donated to the National Defence Fund. Tabung means fund. For example here, tabung haji. Haji is hajj, pilgrimage to Mecca. Hajj, fund. The citizen can use this fund, save their money to go to do pilgrims in Mecca. C. Orang kaya patut menolong orang miskin. The rich should help the poor. D. Saya mesti berada di KLIA malam ini. I must be at the KLIA tonight. E. Tiap-tiap orang Islam yang akil baligh wajib berpuasa dalam bulan Ramadan, kecuali dengan sebab-sebab yang tertentu. Every Muslim who has reached adulthood is obliged to fast in the month of Ramadan, except with certain reason. F. Rancangan itu harus dilaksanakan juga. That project should be implemented. G. Langkah seperti ini mungkin menimbulkan kegelisahan orang-orang di kampung ini. Such a step might create unrest among the people in this village. H. Dia ada datang malam itu. He did come that night. Here you can remove ada if you like. But we usually use ada have with verb. It shows the past. I. Saya tak jadi beli rumah itu sebab harganya mahal sangat. I didn't buy that house because the price was too expensive. Didn't buy, tak beli. But if you use tak jadi means like you cancel something. You cancel some plan. J. Mereka hendak bertolak pagi esok. They want to leave in the next morning. K. Saya suka makan buah-buahan tempatan. I like to eat local fruits. L. Tiap-tiap penuntut kena membayar RM10 sepenggal sebagai yuran sukan dan perpustakaan. Every student has to pay RM10 per term as sports and library fees. Note, you must notice that the word to that precedes the verbs live, eat and pay in sentence J, K, L respectively is not rendered in Bahasa Melayu. Words to remember. Computer, cita-cita, ambition, bidang, field, zaman, era, science, pelajar-pelajar, students, organisasi, organization, dunia, world, maklumat, information, galakan, encouragement, pendidikan, education, digunakan, be used, membantu, to help, diasuh, to be fostered, bergerak, to move, berfungsi, to function, mendapatkan, to obtain, diberi, given, teknologi maklumat, information technology, sains dan teknologi, science and technology. Dengan demikian, by so doing or thus, terkini, up to date, latest. Kelebihan mengguna komputer. Advantage of using the computer. 30 tahun yang lalu, kebanyakan daripada kita tidak perlu tahu apa itu komputer. 30 years ago, most of us didn't know what computer is. Ini disebabkan komputer cuma digunakan oleh organisasi besar. That because the computer is only being used by the big organisation. Masa ini, semua pelajar harus tahu menggunakan komputer kerana ia boleh membantu dalam bidang pendidikan. Now, all students should know how to use computer because it can help in education field. Selain daripada itu, komputer boleh mendapatkan maklumat-maklumat yang terkini. Apart from that, computer may obtain the latest information. Tiap-tiap ibu bapa wajib mendidik anak-anak mereka supaya menjadi rakyat yang berilmu dan berguna kepada diri dan negara. Every parent must educate their children to become useful and knowledgeable citizen to themselves and to the country. Dalam zaman sains dan teknologi ini, pelajar-pelajar patut diasuh dan diberi galakan supaya mereka dapat mencapai cita-cita mereka dengan menggunakan teknologi maklumat yang terkini. In this science and technology era, the student should be taught and given encourage so that they can achieve their dreams or their ambition by using information technology that is latest. Dengan demikian, therefore, dapatlah kita bergerak maju. We can move forward bersama-sama dengan negara-negara lain alongside with other countries. Exercise. Number 1. The sale of food in the canteen should be monitored for the sake of the students' health. Penjualan makanan di kantin harus diawasi demi kesihatan para pelajar. Para indicates the plural. You can change pelajar-pelajar here. Number 2. Through the internet, we can get the latest information. Melalui internet, kita boleh mendapat maklumat-maklumat terkini. 3. Zero Inflation Day should be implemented on the first Saturday of every month. Hari inflasi sifar patut dilaksanakan setiap hari Sabtu pertama setiap bulan. 4. The implementation of the one-session school might reduce social problems. Pelaksanaan persekolahan satu sesi mungkin mengurangkan masalah sosial. 5. Open burning can cause haze. Pembakaran terbuka boleh menyebabkan masalah jerebu. 6. The problem of loafing among youth should be overcome. Masalah lepak di kalangan pemuda-pemudi harus diatasi. 7. All students are obliged to learn the English language because it's an international language for communication. Semua pelajar wajib belajar bahasa Inggeris kerana ia adalah bahasa perhubungan bertaraf antarabangsa. 8. Industrial waste has polluted the environment. Sisa buangan sektor industri telah mencemarkan alam sekitar. 9. The lack of facilities in the countryside has resulted in the migration of villagers to town. Kekurangan kemudahan di desa telah menyebabkan penduduk desa berhijrah ke bandar. 10. The tourist wanted to go to Pulau Langkawi. Pelancong-pelancong itu hendak pergi ke Pulau Langkawi. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.